In this video, I would like to show you the features of the Metest Bounds tool inside of Everest-gis. First, I've created my EFF layer. I'm going to go to Edit, have my layer chosen for editing, and then go choose my Metest Bounds tool and begin my new feature. I can set my starting position and then simply right click and say add call to here to begin with my Metest Bounds feature. Now notice on my calls page that as I add each call, it adds a line for me. I can click auto close and draws the last line for me. I click save. My feature is created. Stop editing, and just to show you that when I go back in, it has remembered all those calls. Now let's say I want to create a new feature, set my starting position, and I'm going to manually enter calls. I'm going to go south, just do south, a distance of 2,000 feet, draws out my line. Then I'm going to go south 69 degrees, 42 minutes, 16 seconds west, a distance of 400 feet. Now I'm going to level that out to be due west, 658.31 feet. We'll go due north, a distance of 1,852 feet. I can still click auto close here and see all my calls. I also have a shorthand of my legal description, including the XY of the starting position that I manually placed, that I could then copy and paste into an email or into a Word document. We'll save that. Now another cool feature of the Metest Bounds tool, so after I set my starting position, I can go over to this legal description page and I can copy and paste a legal description and automatically convert it to a polygon. Get my preview here. It's going to cover 109 acres. See, 109.2, that is correct. And say OK, convert text to calls, and there's my feature. Now one thing that's cool about the Metest Bounds tool is that you can go and change calls after the fact. Let's say I found out that this one wasn't supposed to be due north. I can delete it and go into edit just this record. It's supposed to be north 10 degrees, 11 minutes, 6 seconds west, and it's supposed to be 1,900 feet. I click OK and then auto close it. I've been able to change that feature now after having already created it and come back to it. So there's several different ways to create features using the Metest Bounds tool.